House in Gávea by gru.a in Ga with acute VEA, Brazil. This project occupies a plateau bordered by a stretch of Atlantic forest in Rio de Janeiro. This small social space is defined by the implementation of cyclopean concrete walls that organize living areas. The project's occupation fulfills the demand to create a space for cooking and eating, a small living room, and an outdoor square. We borrowed the use of cyclopean as an abundant repertoire in the city of Rio de Janeiro, especially those that contain cuts in the terrain where urban walks pass through the Tijuca forest. Sleek lines of metallic profile connect them and allow for the settling of concrete slabs that draw shadows in the space, with the help of the local vegetation.